March 6, 2017, 11 a.m. 315 Unit C, Hoskins Mill, Charlotte, North Carolina. Padlock renovation. Got a bent outside window screen. Needs to be repaired or replaced. I have no power to check any appliances. In a large trash out. TV, clothes, bed, dressers, tables. And several stains on the carpets throughout, and also wear marks. Some of those stains may not come up. I recommend replacing the carpet. And a small hole in the wall needs to be repaired. It's gonna be a full paint. There's several black markers and nail slash holes in the wall throughout. All the trim will need to be painted. A few doors and closets. More stains and wear marks on the carpets. The damage appears to be from a wheelchair, and a bedroom door, and on the walls. It needs to be repaired. Crack in the septic cover. Another small hole in the wall. Wheelchair down. A broken blind needs to be replaced. Clothes missing a shelf. Needs to be replaced. Damage to the bathroom door. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Toilet slips from the floor. Needs to be repaired. And also the clock that's holding the bathtub. Shower head, shower hood. And that's about it.